Hi guys, my name is Michael. In this video, I want to show you how to use YouTube dark mode. All you need to do is come up to your icon once you have logged into your YouTube account. Just click on it up here. Then come down to Appearance, Device Theme. Appearance, Device Theme. Click on it, and this is the current theme you are using, and this is the dark theme. So just click on it and you have your dark mode. So if you notice, the text is now white and we have our background as dark. That's the dark mode. Let's try the second one, light theme. So let's click on it. Well, basically it looks exactly like the former one. So that's how you can use YouTube dark mode. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.